What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Stanley FatMax Deep Pro Organizer. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £22 for it. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more info or if you want to actually buy one. It's made from like a hard plastic and the size is 45 centimeters long. The width is 36 centimeters and the height is about 10 centimeters and it weighs 1 kilo. It's got altogether 10 removable storage compartments. And it has this virtually unbreakable lid, which is also waterproof, and it seals it from any kind of water or rust or any kind of foreign particles from getting inside it. So we'll have a quick look around it. The only advice I can give you is make sure you buy the one with the metal clips on the side. Don't buy the ones with the plastic clips. They tend to break very easy, the clips on the plastic ones, so go for the ones with the metal. Right, to open it up you just simply lift it up and unhook it off and it opens up. When they were talking about the lid and they were saying virtually it's unbreakable, I believe that because I've got 3 other boxes what are in use and I've had them for about, I'm trying to think now, close to about 8-9 years or something, maybe even longer than that, and the lid has never ever broke. The only issue I did have is I broke one of the clip things on a plastic one I had in the previous one, and then after that I always bought metal ones. So I'll open the lid up so we can have a look at it. So these are the compartments. You can swap the compartments around if you like, so you can have the big one there and the small one there if you like, depending on your preference and how you want to store things. Like they said, they are removable compartments, which is a really good thing, because if you're working and you want to just grab the box out and take it to where you're working instead of the whole box, and you can use it and then put it back. The compartments are pretty solid and they are good. It's got a plastic seal all the way around, it did say, which is here around the lid, and that prevents water from getting in or any kind of moisture, which is really good, which will stop anything from rusting. Other than that, all I can tell you is pretty hardcore this. It's really solid. The lid's really good because the best thing about it is you can see inside and you know what you want. The underneath of it is pretty solid as well. It's a really strong base. And the best thing about these compartments is they interlock into each other. So I've actually bought 2 of these. So this is the other one I've bought, and it simply just slots on top of it like that. And on the side of it, I'll see if I can get it in, it's got these grey clips, and you just lift it up. What that does, it clicks and locks into place there. Same on the other side. You just lift this up and lock it into place, so you can store quite a few on top of each other really, because they've all got clips on top of them, so they all can lock into place. So if you've got them stored in your van or anything like that, they'll all be together, not knocking around. But the best thing about them, once they're locked into place, you can carry them all just by one handle. They're all locked together and they are pretty strong. I've had weight in them and everything, and I've carried them about with 3 of them all together on each of them. Like I said, I've got 3 of these already and they are full of tools, and I've had them locked together like that, all 3 of them, and I've carried them and they've never split apart or nothing like that. They're really strong. I've got nothing but good things to say about this Stanley box really, because like I said, I have got 3 previous ones and they're still going strong. I bought more because obviously I need to store more things what I need, instead of having them in cardboard boxes what tend to rip and then everything's all over the place and most of it gets lost or dashed. and things go to waste like that. So that's the reason why I've bought them. So right guys, I don't think there's much more I can tell you about them. Other than that, I would recommend them to anybody, and I think they are a good buy and they are worth the money because they pay for themselves over time. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.